Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to add your driving license to Apple Wallet in the UK, step-by-step digital ID setup guide. Important. As of 2026, UK driving licenses cannot be added directly to Apple Wallet. The UK government is rolling out digital driving licenses through the government.uk wallet slash government.uk one login system instead. Step 1. Check if digital driving licenses are available for your government.uk account. Step 2. Download the government.uk One login app on your iPhone. Step 3. Sign in or create a government.uk One login account. Step 4. Verify your identity using your driving license or another app accepted ID document. Step 5. Complete the face verification process if asked. Step 6. Set up Face ID, Touch ID, or a passcode to secure your account. Step 7. Open the government.uk wallet section in the app. Step 8. Add your digital driving license when the option becomes available. Step 9. Use your digital license from the government.uk wallet app wherever it is accepted. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.